Mapapanood na simula bukas ang pinakabagong GMA Integrated News Podcast na Power Talks with PR Kanghel. Powerful ang pilot episode niyan dahil ang first guest ay si GMA Chairman of the Board, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, na magbabahagi ng life lessons at kanyang secrets to success. Balita hatid ni Mark Salazar.
Sa kanyang podcast na Surprise Guest with Pia Arcangel, nagkaroon si Pia ng makabuluhan at masayang huntahan kasama ang ilang malalaking pangalan sa larangan ng sports, showbiz at iba pa.
As parents, tayo talaga ang architect sa magiging future ng anak natin.
Ngayon, mga influential na personalidad naman tulad ng business tycoons, tech innovators, award-winning artists at iba pang industry leader ang makaka one-on-one ni Pia sa pinakabagong GMA Integrated News Podcast na Power Talks with Pia Arcangel na magsisimula sa February 26.
Mabuhay and welcome to Power Talks.
Excited si Pia para sa bagong podcast produced by GMA Digi Labs.
I hope that from the show, viewers and listeners will be able to pick up stories that they will learn valuable lessons that they can apply to their own lives as well.
Sabi ni Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, patuloy ang paghahanap ng GMA Network ng makabagong paraan para maabot ang audience sa iba't ibang online platform. First guest sa newest Kapuso podcast si Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, Chairman of the Board and Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee ng GMA Network. Dito nagkwento siya tungkol sa kanyang childhood.
Oh yes, I was so malikot. I was all over the place.
Pamilya.
So sir, what are some of the biggest joys you have as a parent and as a grandfather?
Well, to see my children succeeding.
Life lessons.
Early on, I already learned never to argue with my mother. You will never win. So why argue?
Ang kanyang leadership style.
I learned from that not to listen to excuses.
At realizations.
When you look back, your career, everything that you have accomplished, what would you say to your younger self?
In life, you have to set a goal. And when you achieve the goal, you cannot imagine how you feel.
Magkakaroon ng bagong episode ng Power Talks with Pia Arcangel tuwing Wednesday sa Spotify, Apple Podcasts at lahat ng GMA Integrated News social media platforms. Mark Salazar, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.